Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Edition. This Velar is finished in the very sleek Aga Grey and comes sitting on the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. Also finished with the black exterior pack, gloss black roof rails and privacy glass, giving that ultimate finish. Every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry, allowing you to move quickly into the vehicle. And onto the door card we have the memory seat configuration and Meridian surround sound system, perfect for listening to your favourite music and podcasts. Straight into the front we have the ebony leather electric front seats, and there's a really warm welcome to this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel features. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, cruise control, and this is a heated steering wheel, and ahead is your driver's display. This Velar comes with a very well presented 2 touchscreen dashboard, and on the first touchscreen we have the climate controls, heated front seats and drive modes, and up to the second one we have the rear camera, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio and much more. Continuing into the back of the vehicle, we have a really nice amount of space for your rear passengers. We also have the rear vents to ensure they are comfortable at all times. This Velar comes with a great amount of boot space, ideal for all your luggage and shopping, and also features the power tailgate, making access in and out very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Range Rover Velar, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.